Hi there. Are you a small to middling or even large local business in Ipswich? Think that using video in your business is way too expensive? Well, think again. Let us show you in this short video just some of the many ways you can use video to promote your business. Let's get started. Hi and welcome. Instead of making this about us, let's make it about you. We know we can make all kinds of great videos for you and your business. Let us show you how great and why you must use video in your business. Hey there. So this video thing, why is it so big and why should you use it in your business? Let's look at some quick numbers. In 2018, over 81% of businesses are using video as a marketing tool. Of those who aren't, over 70% are planning to start in 2018. And consumers, well, they love video too. 76% of consumers would rather use video to learn about a product or service. But enough with the stats. We know video is dominating in 2018 and beyond, and if you're not using it, you're going to be left behind. But here's the deal. Long gone are the days when you could quickly create any old video and it would do the job. These days, if you don't catch a prospect's attention quickly and get them engaged, you're going to lose them forever. In other words, poor quality and low-grade video actually does more harm to your business than good. And that's where we come in. We help businesses like yours create stunning videos, animation and real life to showcase your brand, your product or service without the usual headache, including complex software where you have to spend hours figuring it out, unreliable freelancers who take forever and can barely speak English, hiring your nephew who is kinda good but you're afraid to tell him it's not what you really need. What we create is something like this, and this, and this, all with your custom branding so you can focus on what you do best. Running your business. Leave it to us to do what we do best. Create amazing videos your audience cannot resist watching and want more of, so you can command attention, engage prospects, showcase your value, and stand out in a crowded marketplace to convert more prospects into paying clients. So, if you're looking for the highest quality professional standard video animations, the fastest delivery with zero lag time, videos that captivate with real-world return on investment, then look no further. We're here for you. The only question left is, are you ready to get started and create your masterpiece?